Welcome to our online Abacus Level 2. The ability to complete mathematical operations rapidly and precisely is beneficial in exam performance, which is the immediate benefit of studying Abacus Math. In Level 2 Abacus classes, your child will learn more about the abacus and mental math as well as get faster at it. The acquired abilities will be: concentration becomes even more powerful. The child can use their talent anytime they need it, which is difficult and normal for a child with no talent. The calculation speed increases as a result of manipulating the mental representations of the sliders and colors. Listening-based calculations are initiated, and listening is a skill that begins at this level. The student should practice or master the skills at home for at least 10 to 15 minutes each day. Certificate of level completion will be issued right away following the date that the level is successfully completed, following the completion of the work in the required books. Your Abacus Level 2 online sessions will be enjoyable with our skilled teacher, and you will be able to boost your math speed with each session. We are available to answer any questions you may have or to schedule your demo. We can assist you and provide the best options possible. Thanks for watching.